Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix OTG not working in the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Software Informations. Now from here, tap on Build Number 7 times until you enable developer options. Now from here, go back. Now as you can see, we have enabled developer options. Now tap on developer options. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, make sure you enable USB debugging. Tap on OK. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, tap on default USB configuration and make sure you select transferring files. Now from here, go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#0808#, and from here, make sure you select MTP plus ADB. And this is how you can fix the OTG not working problem in the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.